Hello, my name is John Lifflander. I'm President and CEO of Covenant Consultants Incorporated, also known as CCI. We are the international provider of property tax services for all the Wyndham hotels, Wyndham Worldwide. And you're probably viewing this video because you're at our special website for Wyndham, which is called HotelTaxSavings.com. That is a subsidiary website of our main company, Covenant Consultants Incorporated. I'm here to explain to you a little bit about the process and what we're offering you. First of all, we're offering you what will be a free service to determine whether or not you're overassessed. Let me explain that to you. We have representatives around the country, and you may have been in touch with one already. These are people that are experts in hotel values. Many of them have 12, 15, 20, 25 years experience in property taxes. Some are attorneys. And they're going to look at the value of your hotel once you give them your income information, because that's typically how you would value a hotel. And they're going to come back and tell you if you're overassessed or not. If you're not overassessed, then that will end it. We don't get anything from you. You don't owe us any money. You will have the assurance that an expert looked at your valuation and determined that you weren't overassessed. However, if you are overassessed, then we're going to talk to the assessor in whatever situation you have in your particular state or in Canada, different places where you are, and we're going to try to get a reduction. We'll present evidence showing other sales of hotels, their income, that sort of thing, and a market analysis, and explain why you're overassessed, and we'll discuss it with them and try to negotiate a reduction. And if we're able to negotiate that reduction, then we'll stop there. You'll get your reduction, and that will be the end of it. However, if the assessor doesn't agree with us, then we will probably file an appeal, and at that appeal we will present evidence, and there'll be some type of a judge, some kind of a tribunal where they'll judge the situation. We'll try to prevail there and win a reduction for you at that point. Now, there's no charge for our services except that we save you money, and we take a percentage of what we save you. However, if you're in a state where it's required to have an attorney to appeal, after we've determined that you're overassessed, we would come to you and explain to you what those charges would be. We don't get that money. We're not going to make any money from this except that we save you money, but those fees would have to be borne by the hotel. And in some cases there may be a filing fee. I don't think most states have that, but a few may. And also in some situations it may be that the representative will have to travel to go to the appeal, and there may be some traveling expenses that would be borne by the hotel again if you want us to proceed. But we will not go forward unless we explain to you what the cost would be to go forward and explain to you what we think we can save you. There'd be no guarantee that we're going to prevail or win at the tribunal we go to, but we won't ask you to provide funds to do that if we need them unless we have a good chance of winning. We believe we're going to win, and of course there's no benefit to us either because we don't make any money unless we save you money. So I hope I've explained the process to you well enough to get you started with our area representative. And if you don't know who that is, call us. You've got our telephone number on the website, or email us at info@hoteltaxsavings.com. Thank you for considering us for your property tax services. We're trying to do a great job for you, and if there's anything that you have a question about, feel free to either contact your area representative or call me personally. I'm John Lifflander. Goodbye now.